how to trim video clip in motion photo on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Picture Gallery app. Next, in here, go back to your gallery homepage and tap on the Pictures tab. Then open up the motion picture. So I'm going to open up this one right here. Then tap on the Edit button. Now at the bottom here, you want to tap on the Motion tab. And from here, you can drag on the slider bar to trim the video or the video clip within that picture. And that's it. Here you can also set the key image. So from the clip here, select an image to be as a key image and then tap on save, or you can save as a copy. So save copy. And that's it. So here is a copy right here. So it will have a smaller video clip. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.